Welcome to Vote SMS. In this video, we'll guide you through managing your account on Vote SMS, step by step. Here's how it works. Navigate to the top right corner where you will see a small arrow to open the account settings. Click on Account Settings to access them. The first thing you'll see is your account information, where you can edit your personal details. You can add an image to your account. And you can also change your username. Just make sure that all changes are saved properly afterwards. You can ensure that it has been updated by checking for the check mark in the top left-hand corner. You can also change your password in this section. Enter a new password and confirm it by re-entering it. If the two entries match, a third entry field will appear, in which you have to enter your current password for verification purposes. Then click on Change Password to complete the process. On the next page, you can view your accounting statistics. You can start by narrowing down the time period you want to do research in. Do this by clicking on the period field. A calendar window will then pop up. On the left side of the calendar, you have a quick select menu that allows you to easily and quickly select the time period you want to research. For example, click on Last Month, if you want to view the statistics for this time period. The selected period will then automatically be marked in the calendar on the right. The general filter allows you to refine your search using several criteria. You can filter by the date of the poll or campaign, or by the campaign ID and name, which are useful for identifying specific polls or campaigns. If you need to escalate a support issue, the campaign ID will be required. You can also narrow your results by the country where the messages were sent or by the mobile network operator that delivered them. Additionally, you can filter by the route assigned to the campaign. If a route needs to be added or changed, please contact support. Another option is to search by the name of the template used for the poll or campaign. The domain filter, however, is not applicable. To remove individual applications, use the cross next to the respective application. If you want to remove all filters at once, use the X button on the right. The billing filter provides a breakdown of charges for your account. The SMS fee represents the cost of outgoing text messages, also known as SMS, in dollar value. The mobile-originated fee refers to the cost of incoming text messages, also in dollar value. For multimedia messages, the mobile-terminated fee applies. This includes the cost of outgoing picture messages, MMS, which combines the SMS fee and an additional attachment fee. If you are using a white label solution, the platform fee will also appear, reflecting the platform's cost in dollar value. Lastly, the total fee shows the overall charge to your account in dollar value, combining all applicable fees. For example, if you want to see your total charge, select Total Fee from the list of applications. Then there is the Messages filter, which you can use to filter for certain types of messages and which is further divided into two categories: success messages and error messages. Success messages include the total number of outgoing text messages sent, which is the Messages filter, and the total number of incoming text messages received as responses, which is the Replied filter. The delivery rate, shown as a percentage and based on the status provided by the recipient's mobile network operator, is categorized under the Delivered filter. Error messages, on the other hand, highlight issues that prevent successful delivery. These include errors caused by invalid numbers, landlines, or unsupported routes, which you can filter out using the Errors filter. For these cases, contacting support for escalation is recommended. Messages that completely fail to deliver are categorized as failed and should also be escalated to support. Some messages may be blocked because recipients have opted out of receiving text messages and are on the blocked by opt-out list. Additionally, messages fail when the provided phone number is invalid or when the assigned route does not cover the recipient's destination, which is represented with the unroutable filter. In such cases, support should be contacted to address the issue. Lastly, the filtered and restricted filters are not applicable. If you want to see the billing statistics for total outgoing messages, select the Messages application. Next, you also have the option to filter by hourly, daily, weekly and monthly intervals. In addition, you can also filter by time zones. Use the reload button below to refresh your list of results. Right next to it is the Save button. You can use this to save your view. Click on the Save View button. You can now give the list a title, to make it easier to identify later. For example, you can include the date and the filter type that you used in the title. Then you are also given the option to color code your file. And select some components to be displayed in your file. Click on the Save View button, to finish the process and save your file. Next, you can access the User Roles section, to edit or add users to your account. Navigate to add a new user. And assign them a username in the first step. Enter their email address. And create a password for their account. Then select a user role for the account. If you want the user to be an agent, select this option. Finally, activate the account by enabling it. And save the changes to open up the new account. You can also delete users from your account. To do this, navigate to the three dots to the left of the account's username. A small menu will open up, where you are given the option to edit or delete the account. Choose the Delete option. And confirm the action by selecting Yes. Next, there is the pricing page. Here you can view the different mobile operators and their rates. The table shows the country of operation and the corresponding mobile operators. The SMS fee is 2 cents per SMS. Next, there is the billing page. Here, you can review all transactions made for every poll and campaign you have run or sent. This overview allows you to track and manage all billing activities related to your campaigns, with complete transparency. Each transaction is associated with a unique ID, which corresponds to the campaign ID. This ID is essential for referencing specific campaigns and is often used when escalating issues with your account manager or technical support. The amount column displays the transaction amount in US dollar. The type indicates whether the transaction was a charge, which deducts funds from your account, or a deposit, which adds funds to it. When you click on the search field under Type, a menu opens with applications that you can use to filter for specific types, such as deposit or charge, which are the most common. The module column specifies the product involved in the transaction. For instance, mobile originated refers to incoming text messages, SMS, in dollar value, while mobile terminated represents picture text messages, MMS, and includes both the SMS fee and an additional attachment fee. For white label solutions, the platform fee is also listed in dollar value. Additionally, billing system is used to record deposits made to your account. Each transaction has a module ref, a unique identifier for that specific transaction, and a description, which provides a summary of the product, including its volume and corresponding cost in US dollar. Finally, the timestamp shows the exact date and time the campaign was conducted on the platform. Under Terms and Conditions, you can see the date on which you accepted them and which version it is. You can also view the date on which the terms and conditions were updated. Under API, you will not find any user-relevant applications. This area is just for developers and development processes. Thanks for watching. Get started with managing your account on Vote SMS.